Ready for racing? Racing chance is started. Wriggle baby, break quick, let us start. Rushing a body else that is Daiki. Realize the next online is Gangarin. One cup is running by the rail, then followed by Professor Jones. Next online now is number 40, Smiling G. Hard Work Classic is running by the rail, then followed now by Master Maker, while Ruler of Nations is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have the Aikiriles by about 4 lengths, and in second is Regal Baby. One cup is on the outside third, and in fourth comes Gangadin. Professor Jones comes next, is Smiling G. The next song then is Hard Work Classic, Master Maker, while Ruler of Nations is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch, we have Daikirilas enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second remains Regal Baby. One cup Gangadin comes next. As they swing for home, Daikirilas now racing away by about 8 lengths over Regal Baby. And finally, it's Daikirilas. Regal Baby. One cup. Professor Jones close. Gangadin.
Di po, unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 9, none other than your 9 horse, that's Daikiri Last, tinandaan Neil P. Cortez. Masa segundo numero 2, Regal Baby, numero 7, One Cup, numero 5, Professor Jones, at numero 8, Gongadin. 92758 po para